Hi to all, good evening. Today, Annadata Sukhi Bhava, we convey our sincere thanks on behalf of Amma Asara Foundation, Bhartamata Social Service Societies, Home for the Destitute and Mentally and Physically Challenged Senior Citizens to Mr. Graisat Srimati Nurchari Chiranjeevi ME for sponsoring food for the 65 inmates of this home on 26th September 2024 on the occasion of happy birthday of Chiranjeevi MEG ME with your very happy blessings, very happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day. May God flood you with choicest blessings abundantly throughout your life. We join the family of Mr. Graisat, Mrs. Nurchari, their praise the God Almighty to the blessings to ME with healthy wealth and prosperity and longevity, and specially thanks to the Sri Juluri Vendesar Garu and Pushpali Ammagaru 365 days support to this ashramam and your family and yours and your family members 100 years of health, wealth and prosperity and longevity, and specially thanks to the Vendesar and many more happiness of the ME Garu and best wishes from Bhartamata and Amma Asara Foundation from Hyderabad. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, ME Garu. Happy birthday to you. May God bless to you. May God bless to you. May God bless to you, ME Garu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, MEG. Thank you so much. Many more happiness of the day, ME. Okay, today, menu for the 65 inmates of this home. Today, menu for the 65 inmates. Today, cake cutting to the MEG. Fruits, banana, sweet, marta kaja, sweet, rice, ladies finger masala, tomato dal, sambar. Annadata Sukhi Bhava, Annadata Annadata Sukhi Bhava, Sukhi Bhava, Sukhi Bhava, Sukhi Bhava. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, MEG. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
May God bless you. Happy birthday, MEG.
I'll take the